Hey, hello, local business. Today we're going to start learning actual Google Ads and learn how to make Google Ads campaign and trying to understand from the beginning um, how to what is the Google Ads campaign and how Google Ads campaign works. So let's start. We're going to enter browser. This is the Google Ads account. So this is the dashboard and we're going to click in the create and this is the campaign. So we can at first in the campaign we can see the campaign objective. So what is actual campaign objective? Campaign objective is what is your goal for running Google Ads. That's mean actually campaign objective. So there are lots of type of your campaign objective. Is first one is sales, second one is leads, then website traffic, app promotion, awareness, a local store, and create campaign without any guidance. Uh, so, so that is the actually type of Google Ads objective. So I am going to discuss each and everyone. So at first we're going to discuss about create campaign without any guidance. This is actually creating a campaign without any guidance. You don't need to any kind of guidance or don't need of anything, and you don't have any kind of. We don't want to decide at first any kind of goal for your local for you running Google Ads. This is uh, uh, that's why it's called create campaign without any guidance. And the second one is local store visit and promotions. So if you have any local business, local store, uh, then you can select this one. The, if you select this one, then the customer will go to your local business store, and mm, then awareness and consideration. So this is the awareness campaign and awareness objective. So if you want that uh, you want to aware your brand and you want to uh, promotion your uh, brand, your business, then you can select this one, awareness ad. There is a lots of awareness as we can see. The businessman is running like social awareness lots of time. So if you want to awareness about your business, then you can select this one. And app promotion. App promotion is there are lots of business. Uh, they have apps and they want to promote their apps, so they can select the app promotion, and then you consider website traffic. So if your goal is making traffic on your website, then you can select this one. And if you select this one, then the traffic will be entered into your website. And the main problem is that traffic or the people's don't have any objectives. They are just entered into your website, but they don't have any objective. They don't. They can do anything. Uh, and there are lots of low intent and can be high intent. all types of people will be in that into your website. So if you want to make traffic in your website, then you will select this. And now, most important things, that is the leads. As a local business owner, we will uh, we everyone want to win the leads. Everyone want to generate the leads, and if we select this one, then Google will understand that you need leads. So this is very important, and we will select most of the time we will select this one, and this is the leads. Also, and some of the uh, if some of people can ask me what is the leads. So now we're going to learn what is the leads. So I'm going to show you some leads example. So if you go to Google and search plumber in New York, then we can see lots of website they're running ads. So we're going to click that and uh, go website. Hmm. This is actually the leads from. So if someone fill ups this type of form, that's called leads. So this is very important things because the if you have the high intent customers data, email number, phone number, then you can reach out very easily. So this is very useful things, the lead. So as a local business owner, we will try always making or generate leads. And sales is sort of very important if you have any e-commerce business, and if you want to sell some product, then sales, uh, then you can select sales. So this was the campaign objective, and and campaign objective is very important things because if we select wrong objective, then Google Ads will drive wrong perceptions. So uh, Google Ads campaign objective is very important, and we must select our right objective from today. I hope you will understand pretty better. Next, in the next video, we will trying to uh, understand about the campaign type. Okay, campaign type. There is a lots of campaign type. We'll understand and discuss about campaign type. So if you have any questions or query about Google Ads campaign objective, then you can ask me in the comments. And also, if you need any consultation about Google Ads and also about your business, you can reach me in the WhatsApp or email anyway. And the good news is, if you want, then you will join in a community, there as a local business owner. You want to understand about Google Ads very closely, then we have a group, so you can join us, knock me, then I will be joining uh, in this group. So that's was today. I hope you have a nice day and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching videos. Bye bye.